In this video, we're going to solve the following ratio. So given that x squared plus y squared is 4xy, we want to find x minus y over x plus y. The key to solving this one here is we're going to profit from this condition here. So we have to appear this x squared y squared in somehow here. Okay, and one way of doing that is that we square everything here. Doing that, we're gonna have x minus y over x plus y squared. That gives us x minus y squared over x plus y squared. And now using the identities, we have x squared plus y squared minus 2xy over x squared plus y squared plus 2xy. Okay, this is good. Okay, here we see that we have x squared plus y squared. So if we subtract minus 2xy from here, we're gonna get just 2xy. Okay, I want you to see this. So x squared plus y squared minus 2xy is 2xy based on this. So here we have 2xy. And on the bottom, if we have x squared plus y squared is 4xy, if we add 2xy to both sides, we're going to have x squared plus y squared plus 2xy is 6xy. Okay? That means we have this one over 6xy. This gives us 1 over 3. And the assumption that x is different from 0 and y is different from 0. Both of them. Okay, now we can conclude what's the value of x minus y. So we have x minus y over x plus y squared is 1/3. Okay, so if we want to have the value of x minus y over x plus y, okay, we just take the square root. And when we take the square root, we're going to have the absolute value here is 1/3. That means x minus y over x plus y is either the square root, sorry, it's going to be the square root here. So I take the square root of both sides. It's going to be the square root of 1/3, okay? And here I can simplify this one more. You see that this is just the square root of 1 over the square root of 3, which is 1 over the square root of 3, which is the square root of 3 over 3. And therefore, I have the square root of 3 over 3, or minus. Okay, I had to simplify. Minus the square root of 3 over 3. Remember this. So we don't have one value, we have two. Because when we take, if we have x squared and we take the square root, we get the absolute value of x. And this is our x here, so it's x minus y over x plus y. So this value here, it's either the square root of 3 over 3 or minus the square root of 3 over 3. Okay? And therefore, we conclude that this ratio, x minus y over x plus y, is either plus or minus square root of 3 over 3. So each one of these, okay, depending on the values of x and y. We don't need to know that, okay? So the ratio is plus minus square root of 3 over 3, okay? One of the values. Thank you very much.